Today we are reviewing something pretty cool. You guys already know what it is, but what I'm about to show you is going to help you guys and give you ideas for custom things. So stay tuned, guys. You do not want to miss this. So this is what they look like. And you just open them up, place your item inside like that, and clamp it back. But what you might not know is you can actually put fairly large items in here. That's right. You can put fairly large items and sharper items. So what you want to do is you want to open this up. We're going to place our one item directly in the center. Well, let's see how we want to do this. Because it's going to be... Let's get our stands out first and see the angle here. Well, that's interesting. Oh, there we go. So you're going to have your stand... No. Well, that's weird. What they do, make it too small? Okay, so it fits in like that. Okay, you gotta kind of wiggle it, guys, to get it in place. So you can have it like this, or you can have it straight like that. So if we want it like this, so we can open it like this, place the object like this, and you should be able to push in without issue if it's a smaller item, and that's how it's going to look. If you want to put a large item, which we're about to show you, there's actually something you guys can do. So there you go. Now let's open this up here. And you can see these are pretty big and pretty sharp. Not really sharp, but pointed. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to open this up like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to heat both sides. You can use a hot air or hot air gun or a blow dryer. Now you don't want to heat it up too hot. Just needs to be enough that allows you to flex it a little better, to place a bigger item inside like that. Now we have a bigger item inside there. And we can go ahead and place it like that, or however we want it. Pretty cool, right?